Welcome to the Daily Review. This is Razak, Senior Trading Strategist here at CMTrading. And today is February 27, 2024, and today is Tuesday morning. So looking at the highlights of the day, Bitcoin pushes to new yearly highs for the first time to 56,000. Now first, looking at today's major economic events. So at 5 p.m. South Africa time out of the United States, a very important number, consumer confidence number coming out. Now looking at the various markets starting out with the Forex symbols, the euro slightly higher, the rest of the market really unchanged. As we look at the indices, both the Dow Jones and the NASDAQ remain unchanged. Now we looked at commodities, same thing, gold and oil really stagnant and really unchanged and trading sideways. When we looked at stocks, specifically, the tech stocks did sell lower, almost across the board. And lastly, looking at cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin exploding to 56K. So let's take a look at the markets and see what we can expect from today's trading. So here we go. First with the Euro USD, not doing much, okay? This is not colossal, crazy kind of trading. It's about 30 pips higher than it was yesterday, not a big deal. However, it's crossing over the 30-day, the 8-day, and the 200-day moving average, and it's doing it with some momentum. That's important. That's what's important here. Okay, now we are at a certain threshold right now. As you're looking at the 8-day crossing over the blue line, which is the 30-day moving average, and if that crosses over, then we'll see a further way upwards. Okay, so this is just the beginning of that trend. So keep an eye on this as this continues to trade later today. I mean, this is not, again, like I said, it's not big deal. It's not a lot of volume, but it's significant to maybe push us higher. Okay, especially if we end the day up above 108.70-ish level. Okay, which is not that far away. I mean, we're at 108.61, so 9 pips, not a big deal for a Euro USD, okay, which should push out higher. Okay, now jumping into commodities, let's look at gold. Really unchanged day to day, 2035. It's been in a very tight range, and so has crude oil, just teasing us around this resistance-ish area. Now jumping into the US markets, just slightly lower. Not a big deal, but slightly lower. Okay, looking at the Dow Jones and looking at the NASDAQ, just again, slightly lower. If we looked at the individual stock, they did slightly sell off. If we look at Apple, was further off. Facebook on the bottom of its range, not a big sell-off, not a big deal. Okay, Microsoft also selling just lower, just a little bit as that is happening. Okay, not much to really hang our hats in terms of which way the markets are going to go moving forward, especially since we're past FOMC rate decision, we're past FOMC meeting minutes, we're past all the earning reports. So there's not much coming out that's going to propel us in one direction or another. So we might see ourselves just trading sideways for a while until some impetus moves us in either direction again. Now looking lastly at NVIDIA, okay, did sell off just slightly, okay, not a big deal. Again, just off of its high by 30 points for something that's gone over 600 points higher. Not a big deal, but it did a great job in faking us out last week. We're going to take a look at a segment on that also. Now looking at Bitcoin, all right, this is Bitcoin right now. It's not labeled it, but it's Bitcoin trading at 56K, just shy of it this morning. That is a major breakout. It is a yearly high for it, and now it's closing in. And I did mention that it's going to trade sideways until it pushes higher. And boom, that's exactly what we got. We got trading sideways, and then early this morning, it just popped and just continue going higher from the Asian markets. That could have been the catalyst. Let's see what happens for the other markets to open between Europe and the United States, how this is going to behave the rest of the day. So it may still be in play as the day continues, maybe just a fade opportunity as well. So you got to keep all your options up on the table because it is trading, okay? And you want to be in and out of it very fast because it's that type of asset that just gives you a lot of price action. This is Razak. I want to wish you guys a great trading day. Thank you.